Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly bring their desires into reality while others struggle to make progress? The secret lies in the power of visualization. By harnessing the creative power of your mind, you can shape your reality and attract what you truly desire. In this video, we'll share powerful techniques and exercises to enhance your visualization practice for effective manifestation. Welcome to Law of Attraction Insider, where we dive deep into the techniques and practices that can help you manifest your dreams. Are you ready to unleash your power and manifest your dreams? Let's begin. Principle 1: Setting clear intentions. The first step in using visualization for manifestation is setting clear intentions. Without a clear vision of what you want to attract into your life, it becomes challenging for the universe to deliver it to you. Take a moment to reflect on your desires and set specific, detailed intentions. Whether it's a dream job, a loving relationship, or improved health, clearly define what you want to manifest. Write it down, create a vision board, or use any method that resonates with you to solidify your intentions. Principle 2: Creating vivid mental imagery. Now that you have set your intentions, it's time to create vivid mental imagery. Visualization is about more than just having a vague idea of what you want. It's about immersing yourself in the experience of already having it. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in the desired situation. Engage all your senses, see the details, hear the sounds, feel the emotions, and even smell the scents associated with your desired outcome. The more detailed and vivid your mental imagery, the stronger your manifestation becomes. Principle 3: Emotionally connecting with your visualization. Here's where the climax of your manifestation journey lies: emotional connection. It's not enough to visualize, you must also infuse your visualizations with powerful emotions. Imagine how you would feel once your desires are manifested. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if it has already happened. When you emotionally connect with your visualizations, you send out powerful vibrations into the universe, attracting your desires with greater intensity. Now, let's put these principles into practice with a guided visualization exercise. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and follow along as we take you on a journey to manifest your dreams. Allow your mind to immerse in the experience, embracing the emotions and sensations that arise. Remember, you have the power to manifest your dreams. Congratulations! You have now learned how to use visualization for manifestation. By setting clear intentions, creating vivid mental imagery, and emotionally connecting with your visualizations, you unleash your power to attract your desired outcomes. Keep practicing and refining your visualization skills. The more you engage in this powerful technique, the closer you come to manifesting your dreams. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your experiences with visualization, and share it with others who are on their manifestation journey. Remember to subscribe to Law of Attraction Insider for more empowering content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's unleash our power and manifest our dreams. Thanks for watching.